don't make mistakes, we can't learn. We learn through our mistakes. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So feel free to make mistakes because this is part of the class and part of how we are learning. Great. So you don't have to do everything correct. We are allowing you to make mistakes. So I'm going to start by giving you a problem on the board. Can you please solve this problem for me?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can ask your friend. You can work together and you solve that problem.
So they have the same answer.
I don't know.
Can work with your friend.
I don't know. See what you see. Talk about it and solve that problem.
If you can explain it.
And you are collaborating with your friends. But it would be fine if both of you are doing it, so you can compare your answers. Come on. Okay, I'll ask you to show them. Okay. How's it going? Is the smoke blowing? If you are done and you think you are completed yourself, you can maybe indicate it to me by raising your hand or putting your hands on your head. Then I know what. What do you want? Just. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so you are done, you are done, you are done. How's it going? Are you finished? No. You are done? Almost? You are done. We are waiting for you. Okay. Libu, do you want to come and show on the board? Let me give you a white chalk. And bring your friend with. And tell us, how do you think to solve this? Can we listen to him? Okay? Libu, you can go down here. That's a pleasure.
Daddy, this is how I do it. So when I was doing it, as Daddy always says, if I started it when I'm cutting it in my head, I'd rather write it on the board.
Okay?
So I usually cut in files up to when I get this answer. So like this.
Making little lines.
No. I put 5 lines in each block.
Fine, but why so many? What made you decide it must be this many blocks?
Because then, if I said it must be this many blocks, because normally when I do some hangings like this, like it's normally is more than this.
It's more than that, okay?
So I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Then once I had to count all these lines.
And how many will that be?
And I wasn't gonna count them like 1, it as how it is.
Okay.
So I was like
Multiples of
5, 10,
five.
15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 60. And then if it still didn't come, I would just do this. It means 5, 10, 15. Yeah? And then it was 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 25, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70.
70,
And
okay.
then I added another 5. It was 11. And it was
Okay.
at 9.
At 9, okay.
So then I had the remainder of 4.
Alright.
Then I circled the 4. Then I
Okay.
counted how many lines, groups of 5 did I do.
Mm-hmm.
So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I wrote 15. I wrote 15 this side.
Okay.
And then the remainder of 4 I put it in.
Okay, well done. Did anybody do it other ones? Okay, do you want to come and show? Thank you.
Then should I keep it on?
You can keep it too. Do it with the whites. The ones are strong.
I don't like them with my hands.
Okay, you must speak that we can hear how you thought now.
Yes. So then I was checking what class is taking. Checking slavery. So what the T is for divide. Then monkey is for multiply.
Alright.
Then small is for subtract.
Okay.
And bed is for bring down. Bring down.
Thank you. Okay.
So now first teacher, I divided. I divided by 70. So then I counted the values up to the so I didn't bring it to this number. After 70, I had to go to 75. After 75, I had to go to 80. So I already skipped this number. So I thought of, let me just try this way. Let me just try that let's say 15. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. I have 15 fingers up. So let me just write the one over here. I'm done with the divide. Multiply. I multiply the one with the 5. So 5 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. So I'm going to write the 5 over here. Then after I'm done with multiply, then I go to subtract. What's 7 minus 5? 7 minus 5 is 2. Then I put 2 over here. Then I'm done with subtract. Then I put it down there. Now 9. Then it gives me 29. I'm also done with it. I go back to divide because I have 2 numbers here. So then I divide 5 divided by 5 divided by 29. So I call it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. But that won't be. So I counted again 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
write it here. Then I'm done with divide. Now I multiply the 5 with the 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. I write the 25 over here. Then I'm done with the multiply. Then I subtract 9 minus 5 is 4. I write the 4 over here. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then it gives me the remainder 4.
Sure.
Again.
Did anybody that got it in a different way? Are you happy with this? Do you have it a different way?
Yes.
It does.
Yang meramphan.
Do you want to come and try? Are you sure?
Then I put it on the
Okay.
I'm not trying to be a little.
She makes it very long. What she got right is what I want to show you as well. Dirty monkey smells bad. That was a good thing because this is the process. This is the process, and if we just repeat this progress, it is going to make us very difficult. But I have it. I can show you the same method, just a little bit shorter. Comes out on the same. This was perfect, but I will just show you it can actually be a little bit easier. You made it complicated. Okay, can we make it a little bit easier?
Yes,
Okay. The multiplication chart. Do you know how this works?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because I don't want you to concentrate so much now on your timetables as I want you to concentrate on how to do long division. Is that fine with you? Okay. So the reason this was also the answer Liesbeth got was the right answer, but how much space do you have in your book to draw all these lines every time?
Then we don't draw them on our book.
Yeah, but even the amount of times it takes. If the amount of time it takes makes it very long.
You please
So we don't have to do this. I believe that you can see it's the same answer. Let's leave my chalky. Okay. So I'm going to show you that my 5 is always, I'm calling it my star number. And then my first 2 steps always has to do with my star number. Okay, and we remember that. Let me write a star on it. So my first step has to do with my star number, and my second step has to do with my star number. And we remember that. Okay. So this is a big number. I don't have to use the whole number on the first time. I can only use the first number if that number is bigger than my star number. Okay, so let's forget about the 9 because we are going to get to the 9 eventually. So it's much easier to ask yourself, how many times can I fit this 5 into the 7? Once. Okay, so that is my divide. 5 divided into 7 is ones. So I call this 1 my hot number because I've just written it with my chalk. If you feel it, it's still hot off the press. It's my hot number. So my hot number, I multiply with my second star, my star number. 1 times 5 is, and I write it down here. So this is now my hot number. So my next step, subtract my hot number from the one on top, and I get how much? 2. This is my new hot number now. So what's my next step?
Bring down.
Bring down. So let's go. You saw I brought it down now. Okay. So this is my new number, and I circle it. My new complete number. Then I start again. I need to know my star number. How many times does it go into my new number? Okay? So how many times do you think? Because this is now small, so I have to use both of them. How many times does the 5 go into the 29? And then if you're not sure, use your multiplication table and you can tell me how many times. 5 times. You all agree? Okay, so 5 times. What's my next step with my hot number and my star number? Multiply my hot number with my star number. 5 times 5 is?
25.
I write it down here. What's my next step?
Subtract.
And how much do I get?
4.
Hot number. If this number, this new number, is smaller than my star number, it means I am done. This is what is the remainder. It goes up here. Was that easy?
Yes.
Okay. So let us wipe our tables. And we try.
Oh, the one that. Yeah, we did.
Okay, wipe quickly. So now you try for me again with your dirty monkey smell bad, your star number. This is my star number. And we are going to use the hot number. You can do it my way now. Okay, because I don't want all those, we only have that much too. I'm teaching you with me, okay? So I want to see if you can do my method. Is that be fine with you? Okay, if your table is clean, you can start. Here's your new number. Rise face again, okay? Start, there's your new number. How many times does 3 go into 57 on the dirty monkey smell bad method?
Hey, Ma.
You have to do it this way for me. Okay, everybody, you have to do it this way for me. This one, in this method. So what is the first step? So it's so easy. Step number 1, divide your star number into the first digit. So this is your 3 times table. See where is closest to 27. And then you know it is the 9.
Sharp.
You can see what but it's okay.
we want to be on YouTube.
I don't see. There's no remainder. Okay. Well done.
My head is scrambled.
There's not always a remainder. How come it's scrambled? Okay. So you want to know. You try also. What is our first step? Okay, divide the star, use the star number to see how many times can it go into your first digit.
It's one.
Okay, so where do you write that one?
No.
You write it on top. And then multiply your hot number with your star number. Okay, so you write it. And then what's your next step? Show one. You need to?
Minus.
Yes, so you need to minus what?
Minus the 3 and the 5.
And the 5, so what do you get? 2. Okay, write it down, 2. What is your next? Bring down the 7.
27.
And then bring down that 7, yes. So now again, what's your first step?
Okay.
Yes. Do until you are done.
Okay.
You divide your star number into your new. Remember to circle, this is your new number. Divide your star number into your new number. How many times? Okay, but then you use this. So where's your multiples of 3? Okay, so where is it the closest to 27?
27 is...
So there.
Yes.
And then you move up to the dark green and you say 9. 9 times 3 gives you 27.
9 times 3.
So where do you write the 9?
Up here.
Up there.
Then
What's your next thing?
multiply.
Multiply the hot number with the star number. 9 times 3 is?
9 times 3.
What did we say? 27. Well done.
So it's another 9.
So it's another 27. 9 times 3 is 27. So you already written down. Because you have to multiply. Multiply your hot number. This is your hot number. With your star number to get your next number.
My tissue. Sorry.
Just carry on here at the bottom.
I just written. Let me just
So you did it. 9 times 3. Remember, 9 times 3. That's so. Write down.
When he comes back, can I go to the
Okay, and then we need to.
Is this thing has
We are filming.
Yes,
So we are hearing all your funny questions the whole time as we are filming. So please don't do that. So next thing we subtract. So let's subtract. Zero. So is there anything to bring down?
No.
So your answer is?
0. Then can I go to the back?
19. Well done. And there's no remainder.
Right there.
Huh? Yeah, the dirty monkeys. Are they not yet done yet? Okay, just wait. You can write that so long, and then we wait for that group. Listen, everybody. In the other class, somebody said something very interesting, that the division sign looks like this. Now, so she said this line is actually this line, and there must be something on top and something at the bottom.
Yes.
No, so that makes sense. So that is easy. So Libu, when you start, 5 goes into 7, there must be an answer on top. So that is the answer, that because this at the end is your big answer. Okay. The only time you write something at the bottom is when you multiply and you subtract and you bring down. But your first divide, your answer is always on top. Okay, so try again. 2 goes in 4. How many times? 2 times. So what is your next step? Okay, what do you multiply?
2 minus 9.
Linear, multiply.
No, it's minus 9.
You just divided the 2 into 4 and you get 2.
No, I divided the 9.
No, what 9 is that? Where do you get that 9 from? Everything must be on his time. That 9 is maybe later, but not now. First we did the 2. 2 goes in 4. And then multiply the hot number with the star number. And you get your answer there. 2 times 2 is? How many times does 2 go into 4? Yes. So what is this 9 doing here? Take it away. And then your next step? It's multiply the hot number with the star number. 2 times 2 is? So 2 times 2 is? Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. You write it here.
Because if you don't want to work,
4 minus 4 is? Okay. And then my next step is? What do I bring down? Okay, bring it down. Okay, then my next step. Divide my star number into my hot number. Yeah, that's my new number. Divide the 2 into the 5. How many times? 0. Can you fit 2 inside of 5? I think you can. How many times?
2 times.
Huh? Use your multiple tables of 2. 2. So it's once, twice, and then that's too big. So it needs to be this one. So how many times? 2. So it's another 2. And then your number with the star number, and you get? Yes, so you write it down at the bottom there. Yeah. And then what's my next step? Okay. So you draw a line and you subtract how much you get. Yes. This is your subtraction. Yeah, this is your sum, your subtraction number. So can 2 go into 1? So this is your final answer. That's your remainder.
It was so easy, Dad.
It is so easy, Libu.